How to use OBS on Android phone. So if you want to use OBS on Android phone, it's super handy. Whether you're a streamer, a content creator, or just want to better video quality from your online calls, then this video is for you. So first, you need to download the application on your smartphone. So if you're using your iOS device, you can go with App Store, or if you're using your Android, you can open up your Play Store. After opening your stores, you can go with search, and under search, you can search for OBS. Once you've searched, you can go and download your OBS camera or DroidCam. It might take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on your network connection. Once you got the app installed, you can open it up and connect to the Wi-Fi. Make sure that you've connected to the same Wi-Fi on your phone and on your computer. Now in OBS Studio on your computer, go to the Sources tab, which will be on the bottom left. And from the sources, you need to click on the plus icon and choose the video capture device. Select your phone from the drop-down menu. Now you might need to adjust some settings to get the best quality. You can also change some things like resolution, frame rate to suit your needs. After that, you can position your phone wherever you want it to capture. You can use a phone stand or simply prop it against something. Make sure the angle is good, and after that, you'll be able to use your OBS on your Android. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.